Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar Soul. We have James Blunt here with us with his song called Love Under Pressure, as love sometimes could be under pressure. So, great song from James Blunt there, and pretty easy to play as well. We need to set our capo here on the first fret, and we have 7 different chords to learn here. So let's start with those chords. We have first the B minor. So you need to bar the second fret here from the A string and down, and the rest will be 4th here on the D string, 4th on G string, and 3rd on B string. Next chord will be D. So open D string, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 2nd E. This one is G, so 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. Then we have E minor, so open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, and open E. The 5th chord will be the A, so open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 2nd B, and open E. And then we have the F sharp chord. So you need to bar all strings here this time on the 2nd fret. And the rest will be 4th on the A string, 4th on D string, and 3rd on G string. And the final chord will be F sharp minor. So what you do there, from the F sharp, you just lift off this 3rd here on the G string. So that is F sharp minor. So still, you're gonna bar the 2nd fret, all strings, and the rest will be 4th on the A string and 4th on D string. So yeah, those are the 7 chords we need to know. So we have 2 different strumming patterns for this song. So the first one will be what we will start here in the intro, or yeah, it's kind of right into the song from the verse. So the strumming will be 3 downs. We can illustrate that with an the B minor. That is the first chord for this song. So the B minor and 3 downs, that will sound like this. Down, 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 down. That's the rhythm. So slowly it will be like this. Down, 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 down. So you have a short break there after this first down, and then it comes too quick. So yeah, like this. So let's dive into the different chords here. We will strum first the B minor, and you will play that for 4 rounds of this down, down, down. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And then comes the A 4 times. Then G. And then B minor. Okay, so we'll consider that as 1 round. So B minor, A, G, and B minor, 1 round. And that will be 4 strumming rounds for each chord. Then we'll go for a 2nd round here, still in the first verse. So it starts again with the B minor 4 times. Then A 4 times. Then G 4 times. And the last chord will be E minor this time. So E minor 2 times plus a pause there, because under this pause there's the vocal parts. So together it will be kind of 4 rounds of the strumming for the E minor, but you pause after 2 rounds and just vocal part there. So the final round will be again B minor, A, G, and E minor 2 times. And then you stop there with a pause and a vocal part. So that is the first verse, and that leads us to the chorus. So now we need to learn a different strumming pattern here. The strumming will be down, down, up, up, down. So again, it will start with B minor, and I'm gonna show you how you need to play. So it sounds like this. So down, down, up, down. That is one strumming round. So down, down, up, down. And you're gonna play 4 rounds for B minor. So slowly, it will be like this. All right. So 4 B minor, and then we go to 4 A. Then 4 G. And then we're gonna play 2 F sharp minor and 2 F sharp, and then 4 B minor. So start with the F sharp minor, 2. So that is the first chorus. So again, if we repeat that, 4 B minor, 4 A, 4 G, 2 F sharp minor, 2 F sharp, and 4 B minor. That leads us to the second verse. It's pretty similar there to the first verse, but not really exact there. It will change a bit there. So it starts again with 4 B minors. Sorry, now we have this other strumming pattern, down, down, down. So still the same with the strumming. 4A, 4G, and now in the first verse we ended with a B minor 4 times, and then it starts all over again with the B minor for the next round. This time it kind of starts and ends with the B minor 4 times. So it will be 4 B minors to begin with. And again, A. Then G 4 times. And then comes this B minor 4 times. It ends with this 4 times, but it also starts a new round here with this 4 times. So it won't be in total 8 rounds of the B minors like in the first verse, because that ended with a B minor and it also started again with 4 B minors. Now it ends and also starts a new round with 4 B minors. So and then right on to the A again on the second round. Then G 4 times. Then comes the E minor 2 times and the F sharp minor 2 times, and that is how this second verse ends. So all right, so to repeat this second verse, all in all it will be 4 B minors, 4 A, 4 G, 4 B minor, and then right on this with 4 A there, and then 4 G, 2 E minor, and 2 F sharp minor. Okay, and that leads us to the second chorus. So we'll go through that as well. It starts in the same way there, 4 B minors, and now the other strumming pattern, the down, down, up, down. Then 4 A's. Then 4 G. And then 2 F sharp minor and 2 F sharp. So then comes a new round here for this chorus. So that changes a bit here, because in the first chorus it ended here on the 4 B minors. Now we have the same concept here. It ends here with 4 B minors, but it also starts a new round with this 4, and it comes like a bridge there right onto the next chord, which is the A there. So 4 B minors, then 4 A, and now comes 4 Ds instead. So 4 D, then 2 A, and 2 F sharps. And now we have this part that is lead us to a bridge part. In the lyrics, this love's under pressure. So it will be 2 Gs, 2 B minor, 2 A, and 2 Gs, 2 Gs again, 2 B minor, and it ends on 4 A's, this bridge part. And then comes the final chorus part there. It will be played in the same way as we played in the second chorus there. The B minor, the A, the G, the F sharp minor, and the F sharp. 4 times on B minor, 4 on A's, 4 on G, 2 on F sharp minor, and 2 on F sharp. And that is how this song from James Blunt ends. So I hope you enjoyed this one, and if you did, please let me know. I love your comments, either if they are kind of positive or negative. It depends on how you look at it, but I would like this interaction and to see what you think about this tutorial. So let me know that, and if you do like it, then yeah, please thumb up, and it helps me a lot with this channel here. So see you soon, guys, and don't forget, play tuned.